tonight?
Oh, what is it?
Ragu bolognese.
Okay. 5.
That's it.
Do you want
Here we go.
in the fridge?
Yeah. Here.
A food haul where I'm not going to tell you about everything because that's going to take too long. But you can use your eyes.
You can use your eyes.
Girl. You can use your eyes. It's 5 here. I got you. 1 billion in 1 cup. You should be.
I'm making Sydney a surprise drink. Do you want a surprise drink?
No.
Okay. Just wanted to
What
offer.
if I didn't like it?
That's the fun.
I'm so nervous.
Ooh,
I like can't not look. You both standing over there.
what happened?
I'm not looking at her either.
I'm just looking at Jen.
I feel like I need to mix this, but like...
What? Wait, you don't even know what you're gonna make.
No, not yet. It's a surprise.
Okay. It's a surprise to her as well.
Yes.
I don't know.
I will say like I don't like grenadine. I don't like cherries. So just.
I feel like she's not gonna like
I don't even think so
I
either.
really don't feel like she will.
It just tastes like strawberry lemonade.
And I call
Or
that
the
a
watermelon,
success.
whatever you bought. But can I
Okay.
have more ice? It's so warm.
Yeah. But you like it?
It's fine. I was my favorite drink. No.
We've got some chefs in the kitchen. Good job, Sydney.
Thank you.
Doing such a good job. Jen over here.
I'm reading.
And I'm moral support.
I don't know if we got enough mushrooms.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm not the biggest.
Because why does it
mushroom
say
fan.
a pound?
That's a lot of mushroom.
Yeah, like, okay. I'm actually
We're
gonna
good.
choose not to think about it now. Next step is putting like the zucchini in the... But make sure you wash the mushrooms. Because they have dirt on them. I don't know why I get weird about that.
All right, I'm making Sydney her second drink, and I'm hoping she'll like it better than the first.
I'm just gonna say this for 5 minutes until half the size.
Okay, I can't. No, you're gonna love it.
It's really strong. What did you make?
A vodka with a mojito drink mix. Do you love
I'm
it?
gonna have a little more lime juice, but it's good.
Yeah.
Why does it smell like...
Killed it.
It's the same when you just do like garlic and onions or like
You give you a shot of what they've made. It looks real good. They're true chefs. I'm the makeshift bartender, but like also not really good at that.
Get that out of here.
Okay. Don't say I never did anything.
harder in the center than I thought it was gonna be.
How's it going, Sydney?
Amazing. I'm so hungry.
Me too. The hardest part about not cooking is just smelling the good food and wanting it. They're killing it.
When it's like
Quick relaxing moment for you guys.
I like one with pasta and fish. Oh my god. What? I'm scared.
That was horrifying. A true cooking session. I hope a chef watches this and is like, why is this girl not draining the water?
Lazy. I don't want to bring out the colander.
We're getting close. Alright, this is what it's supposed to look like. Oh, it's closed now.
Sorry.
It's okay, you'll have to wait and see, guys.
Kitchen's closed.
It's gonna look great. So good.
Okay. I started watching actually a show on Peacock called The Traitors. I don't know if you've ever watched that.
No.
I just finished the UK version, but it's actually it's like a good show, and it's good to like talk about with the US version, and there's a Australia version.
I love a different.
We should do Australia.
What's it called? Trader?
Traitors, yeah. TRAI. You know. So like just grab whichever one you want.
She's a chef. Good job, guys.
Thank you. Well, don't tell us that until we've tried it.
No, but thank you for making it.
You're welcome. Oh,
Taste test.
it's good.
It is good.
All right, 10 out of 10.
Like,
I would give it like a 7.
oh, I was gonna give it like an 8 and 8.5. I think it's missing some seasonings.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Yeah. So I'll just wait for you to.
I agree.
It definitely
It's
like
good.
garlic powder.
Yeah, it's good, but like for how much you put in it, it does not taste like there's that much in it, if that makes sense. But very good. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
So much.
True friends, go check if your car's still there in the rain.
Queen.
It's raining so hard.
Thanks for checking.
Thanks for checking.
The parking lot is totally full and none of those shops are open.